youth, me I tell you straight up. You're not do your business, your girl, honey.
So she's basically saying that you're moaning.
Yeah, look like she.
But why would she be? Why would she be moaning, talking to you?
That's why me ask you if you're hungry, if you're hungry.
So what do you?
That face
That's what I'm saying. What do you guys got going on? Because if my mom is saying, that's what I'm saying. Because if she's saying that you're moaning when you're talking to her, what do you got going on? What's up, K&R Squad? Jeez! You don't know what it's your boy Badman Reafe.
And your girl Kristen.
We're back again with another banger, man.
Banger. Listen, remember that video where I was moaning after every sentence to Reafe?
Yeah.
Well, today I'm gonna be doing that to his mom. The problem is, I'm the one in the hot seat.
You're in the hot seat.
I'm in the hot seat, so I'm basically gonna be in the back seat. We gotta go do some things. We're gonna pick up some kingfish and whatnot.
Yeah.
We need to get a car wash.
We definitely need to stop for a car wash because this car right now is a little dirty.
You guys know the construction by our house. But anyways, we're gonna get Mama Joan to come with us, and that's what I'm gonna sprung out the morning after every sentence. You know the after every sentence, and it's gonna be wild.
She's probably gonna be like, yo, what the hell? We were thinking that I would do it with her.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? To make it funny, but then I feel like she would catch on to it real quick. So
Too quick.
It's better that you do it by yourself, and then let's kind of see her reaction because she probably yo.
I wonder if she's gonna be mad or like annoyed or like
what, right?
find it funny. I don't know. So we're gonna see. If you guys are excited to see Wagwan, make sure you hit that like button right now. 10,000 likes, no less. Subscribe to the channel.
You know
turn on your post notifications, and let's do it.
Bam.
What if I put a ring on you? What if I put a ring on you? Right now, don't let me wait for you. You know that my love is true. Something about the way you move, I wanna escape with you. The way that you touching my body, I know it, I know it. You making me wanna get down on one knee and propose it. So I told her right now, ooh, we should go ahead and get married right now. Right now.
Ooh, boy's looking sweet. Okay. That's good.
What? Oh, I need earrings. Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, you're playing around. Ooh,
I just
who's
found my
that?
earlobes. I'm like, wait.
Hi,
Oh,
guys. Mama Joan here upon the channel. We're gonna go get some fish because next week is Easter.
Ooh.
And I like to buy my fish early.
And during April we only eat fish. You know,
yeah.
that's a tradition that we've done for years.
Yes.
No meat, no nothing else but fish.
Just
so that's what we're gonna do. So Mama Joan is gonna get that kingfish because it's one of the best. Sprat, all of that. Y'all know what it is. Oh, the sun is hitting on your boy. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we're here. We're about to go on the road. We're about to stop and get a car wash first.
Finally.
Everybody's like, yo, how's your car so dirty? And I try to tell them it's like where we live, construction every day. So it's literally a waste of time. Because when did we just wash this car?
Like last week?
And 2 days later,
Oh, it's already done.
it was already dusty. So it's like, why am I spending $20?
Right.
But inside dirty too. And not just outside. Outside
Look
dirty
how
with
she's
the
just
dust.
outing us,
Yeah,
like-
no. Outside dirty with the dust, but inside dirty too. So inside can clean out, shampoo out, wash out.
The people don't need to know that yet. Summer has started. When
Honestly.
summer starts, that's the winter dirt.
It
We're gonna
doesn't-
get the winter dirt out soon.
It doesn't matter whether winter dirt, summer dirt, inside can keep clean.
Alright.
That is my take on the situation.
But you know what?
What?
So a lot of people were making a comment saying your mom is hilarious because she says instead of saying COVID, you say covert.
Yes.
So they want to know how I go on with that.
Explain that to the people.
Real talk now. Jamaica never call nothing the right way yet. See me? From the thing this thing call start, me call it covert. Sometimes I have to ask people them to remember. Remind me, tell me what it call, but me call it covert.
It's a unique name.
That people me can't remember if we say COVID. So me say covert. And sometimes I can't remember if we say the covert, we say social distance. So then people them keep them distance from me.
It's different, that's for sure.
That's how me deal with the covert.
Alright, I got the car wash, y'all, but No, I'm saying to make it a little cheaper, you know what I mean?
I have to get the gas.
Anything cheap. I like that, and it's cheaper with the gas. So you feel me? I'm gonna go pump the gas. Unfortunately, in America, they have a lot of self-pump, like people who pump for them. We don't got that here, you know what I'm saying? So
We used to have them at some gas stations, but I don't know what happened.
I don't know what gas station. Yeah, I don't know where I go on. So I have to go pump it myself, and like a gentleman, I ain't gonna let the ladies go outside and do it. So yeah, I'll just wait for your boy.
Thank you.
While I handle this.
It's about to go down.
Do you like pumpkin gas?
Well, but I don't mind. You know, I mean, I mind really pump the gas, you know.
Every time the gas has to get pumped, I tell Reafe to do it. You know?
Okay.
I don't do it myself. Because I'm just like, I'm too... It's not that I'm lazy. It's just that I feel sometimes when it's too cold outside, I don't want to get out. Or like if I'm in a good outfit, I'm not trying to get out. And I just tell him, like, go pump the gas, babe.
Kristen, are you okay?
Yeah.
Because every time you talk, you finish it with this, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. What do you mean?
Okay. Man to man between me and you know.
Okay.
Yeah, make this sound, and it really sound funny, like your body in distress. Are your body in distress?
No, I'm good. This is how I talk.
But me talk to you already before, and when we talk, me no hear you make them sound there.
I don't know, that's different. I'm just talking to the camera and you.
Oh, you're talking, because you talk to me on the camera. But it's all like, you know, you Reafe not angling business. What's going on with that? Like,
what do you mean?
You sound like you need something.
Oh my God, what?
I don't know. You know, you have to tell me because it not sound too right.
No, I don't need
Reafe,
anything.
Wow.
you angling business with Kristen? Because she make some funny sound, yeah. I mean, I understand the sound. Listen, me I talk to Kristen and she make some funny sound and she like,
She's saying
like after she done talk, she make some sound. Like, so well, then, what I go on?
I'm not talking different.
Yeah,
No.
That not sound funny to
Probably
you?
because her nose is a little stuffy.
No, she not sound like a stuff up person. I was talking to her earlier on and she never sound stuff up, and all of a sudden she just start to make them funny sound. Well, it more sound different than how me I make it, but she make them sound funny.
I don't know.
I'm gonna listen out to her.
I'm telling you, she's making these sounds. I mean, I wonder if you're angry your business. If something not going with, something not going with, you know, do what's right with her while she do that.
I don't know what you're
sound like when Milo in a eat.
He needs some milk.
Okay.
I'm confused, right? I just got in this car.
Well,
and
I was telling the camera that I like when you pump the gas.
yeah,
Right.
but then
And then she said I was talking different. And I'm just like,
hear the sound. Hear it again. Hear it.
What?
Hear it again. When she finished talk, she you never hear it? Okay. Well. On the chat sound like when I cat up her when them in a heat. So I don't know if I ain't she in a heat. So I don't know. You have to tell
now
me
I'm a
she
cat
in
in
a heat.
heat.
No, right?
Come like when Milo in a heat and I look something. She sound, but she sound funny. What she has said that sound different. That sound very funny. So me I wonder if you're angry your business.
I always handle my business.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Well, okay.
Conversation
Well,
is going left.
Right? Like I don't even know what I came. I don't even know what I came into. They left their gas tank open. I'm about to let
Yeah.
them know.
You should
'cause
tell
Yeah,
them.
because
water's
that's
gonna
the
go
one
in
go
there.
in. Yeah, that's
Then
no
we're gonna
good.
get messed
Oh
up.
my God! It probably screw on, but it can also lick off too, eh?
Has that ever happened to you?
Yeah.
And what happened?
Me not even want to answer that question there. Because I don't like the blood clot sound where you make when you finish talk. Yeah, talk to me, my girl. Talk to me, right? The sound.
I'm
me
trying
not
to
like
have a conversation with your mom, but she's wild.
Yeah, she's having a conversation with me, but she keep making that sound.
It's probably just how she talks. You probably
Listen.
just haven't noticed it before. Just anyway.
Listen. I talked to Kristen already, and this a blood clot sound. I went, we don't know nothing about that one there. When I know nothing about that.
I don't know.
How come I'm not hearing this?
Okay, alright. So when she talk again, me I go point it out to them.
Okay, all I was saying was, did that ever happen to you? And she said,
okay, stop this or no. She just said, if that ever happened to you, and then she continued. You never hear that?
Did that ever happen to you?
When she talk a while ago, you never hear when she said that.
Said
yeah.
So did that ever happen to you?
Right.
She not say no. She not say no.
Mom, I think you're thinking way too much. You're thinking way too much. Like, I'm just trying to get
you never
this
hear
car
she said it a while ago.
She said honestly.
And then you never hear the sound will come off of the honestly?
No.
Okay. I don't know what's up with this.
So y'all, listen. I guess this is what comes with. I don't want to say it, you know, because I might get a.
I bet I got blood clot. That's before you mention.
This might come with old age.
Oh, is it really? I haven't heard of
because
that.
I'm not hearing what you're saying.
They
Okay.
do say you be hearing certain
things.
Well, I am not hearing no certain things. I am hearing this sound that Kristen is making.
I'm just wondering. We're both in the car, so how come I can't hear it?
She
Right.
said it one time a while ago, and when she said it the one time, you should never say it that time. I don't know how I am hearing it and you not hear it like you're deaf. I don't know.
I don't know if I should take this as a compliment or an insult.
Or like insult. Like,
does
what are you
it
trying
sound
to say?
good?
It sound like she in a eat, like when Milo in a eat.
Please like the video.
And I pure over the brown the place. The, you know, like
so she's basically saying that you're moaning.
like she.
But why would she be why would she be moaning talking to you?
That's why me ask you if you're hungry, if you're hungry.
So what do you?
that face
That's what
for?
I'm saying. What do you guys got going on? Because if my mom is saying, that's what I'm saying. Because if she's saying that you're moaning when you're talking to her, what do you got going on?
I didn't do anything. Maybe your mom wants to
you.
hear something that she not supposed to hear.
What do you guys got going on?
Are you crazy?
I am not hearing nothing that I'm not supposed to hear. But
okay, here's what I'm saying though.
Yeah.
So you're saying that she's in heat purring like Milo.
Yeah.
But the only person she's purring to right now is you.
Is that when
she could not be doing that. She wouldn't be doing that. That doesn't make sense. Does that make sense to you?
I'm just telling the way she not purr to me.
He needs some milk.
Milo purr to your dad too. Milo purr to everybody. Make that sound when them run everybody.
Nah, that don't sound right. So I don't know what you're talking about right now.
Why is this car wash line so long?
Bruh, that's what I'm saying.
5 minutes later.
I'm gonna start listening out to what you're saying. I can't really hear what
But you just do it a while ago. Oh my god! Yeah, I'm gonna start listening to what you're saying. Because I can't hear what you're
I'm getting scared. You're about
No,
literally hearing things like...
I'm saying it now. I'm saying
Maybe you
it.
just open a window. Like,
Yo, it's too hot in here.
Yeah.
You're mommy.
You never just say that a while ago, Reafe?
No. I didn't say
Someone wants
that.
to say we have got blood clot senile. Am I going senile right now? That's what I try to say to me,
what's going on. We're gonna have to call Dr. Yu.
Dr. Yu, you can't call Dr. Yu, because Dr. Yu, I'm a doctor, but something wrong with him right now.
So maybe that's what's going on. He's not seeing what, because you're telling me I'm talking to you saying something, but I never hear that. I don't know, that's crazy.
See, you say, me never hear that. You don't know that crazy, you just say, We're
gonna have to cut this part
you
out
just
of the
finish
vlog.
and say,
Yeah, we're gonna have to
Because
cut
this part
all of
can't
this
go on the
out.
vlog.
Here she,
Every
okay,
second
here
she's
she,
thinking that we're saying,
here, oh, she,
At the end of the sentence, like, I don't know what she's talking about. Like, you're going crazy, man, for real. Like, you're actually scaring me a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. For real.
Okay, me I go listen to this one now. You know, you never said it a while ago. Okay, so me I go pay attention to what I say now. And anyone now no say that.
But now I feel like I'm under interrogation.
Me too.
I'm just
Like, I just
wanna
talk.
I just want to have a regular conversation talking to the people. We told them we're gonna vlog.
Yeah.
What your day in your life, and we didn't even got to the shop to buy the fish.
Yeah,
and you're talking about this crazy thing.
but when I go blog, which is fine. But at the same time, you guys keep Kristen talk funny, and then at the same time, you job said two funny things when you try to make me look like me not hear when me I hear. So me I go watch you now when you not talk to hear it, and then me hear it again. Me I go back.
What?
So we need to be careful now.
Yeah,
I'm not
like,
gonna talk
Okay,
too much.
so this way, I don't know.
I'm
me
just
know.
talking regular, but
So this
I
way,
don't know what you're
as
saying.
me say, since you can't hear it, me I go give a slap. I'll give a box till Saturday.
You guys, that car wash was so crazy because we were there and then it stopped for some reason. It wasn't gonna dry the car, nothing.
We were literally sitting there for how long? Was it like 15 minutes just waiting because it said stop?
Yeah,
and
I was so annoyed. It was like, right now?
Listen, the amount of dirt when they on the car, them broke down the people them car wash. Now have nothing to do with the people them car wash and them dirty
it
car.
Didn't even clean the car all the way that it was supposed to.
That's for sure, you dirty them car, dirty. And
it didn't even do it. Like it was wilding.
So
it was super wilding. I don't even know what it was doing.
I don't know what's wrong with Kristen, but she starts with this sound again. You understand me? So I don't know what's wrong with it. Reafe, Kristen in a heat, she needs something there. You need to do your business.
I don't even know what
you're
she's
not
talking
do
about.
your business. My youth, me I tell you straight up, you're not do your business, your girl honey. Because she sound like she needs something. Because she depend on again.
My mom is doing a little bit too much.
I'm not doing that. Hear him with it then. Hear him with it then too.
What?
You just said it a while ago.
About.
You just said it too. You just said it a while ago. And not just Kristen alone. You just said it a while ago.
This is how we've been talking for all our life.
Okay. Hear it again there. This is how we've been talking for our life. Like something wrong with you. And not wrong with me now. Because sooner or later I'm going to tell me something wrong with blood clot. Not wrong with
your
me.
hair stuff.
And I'm not hearing nothing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Reafe, you just said that. You just said a while ago. You just said a while ago. You know what? Kristen, please guys, please don't make me feel like something wrong with me. No, I'm hearing you guys saying this shit.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, what's going on with you?
Unfortunate that you feel that you're doing
my girl a grunt. She a grunt.
So yeah,
she's grunting like she under pain.
Okay, guys, so we need to go get the fish, but first we gotta tell Mama Joan this is a prank because she's wilding out right now.
You know what? This is the last time I come driving on a car. But no way. This is when we need to go nothing. I'm gonna go on the road by myself. I'm not go on the road. We don't know.
But we need you because we need to go get the fish and stuff. So you talk about.
Yeah, but you can't keep saying this shit.
She was getting upset. She was annoyed. She was like, "What's going on? Why is Kristen sound like she's in heat?"
Yo.
And then sound like Milo when Milo in heat.
I wasn't
when
even
Milo
gonna
walk
do it.
around and and meow, purr. I said she go like something wrong with her, and then she said she never do nothing.
I wasn't even gonna do it, yo. But I'm like,
I
you
know.
know what?
I was surprised when you started doing it too.
I'm like, yo, let me jump in on the action.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying?
thankful.
They can't be the only one with the action. I want piece of that. So y'all, if y'all like this video, y'all done know what going on already. If you want to see Mama Joan again on the channel, y'all gotta smash the like button. We gotta get at least 10,000.
I'm not gonna trust these guys. I'm not coming in them car. I'm not coming anything them want me to do with them. I'm not doing it with them because they're always messing around. You know? This girl there like she's in heat, like Reafe now angling business, you know, and then them come and say me not talk.
You know I handle my business, man. You know I handle my business, right?
I know because she sound like him never did angling business. That's all me have to say. Why she not eat so?
Y'all already know what it is. We're gonna close it out. So Mama Joan, what am I finished? Mama Joan has to close it out.
And add the to the end.
Okay, I'm not gonna like it. I'm not gonna subscribe it, and the
We should go ahead and get married. We should go ahead and get married. I don't wanna put a rush on you. Hope I ain't putting too much on you. Way more than a crush on you. And you love it when I touch on you. You have to wine, take time.